It's a 2011 Buick LaCrosse. This LaCrosse will captivate you with its strikingly original design, dramatic shapes, and incredible functionality. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: AM/FM, XM satellite radio, remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Of the LaCrosse car and driver effuses, easily the best Buick sedan in a long time. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.